Assalamu alaikum, this is my Friday vlog, but before that, welcome to my channel Mommy's Canvas, where I share snippets of mom life in Dubai, quick recipes, skincare, and everything in between. There is always something special about Friday mornings. I don't know if you feel the same, just maybe the week coming of the weekend, Friday aura, and since the day is short, I don't have to prepare much for the school lunches. It's just a slow morning. And I'm sure you can relate to after the summer break. It's been a month the school has reopened, but now the things are moving so fast with kids' tests and assignments and projects. It is almost becoming impossible to keep pace with the life. Anyhow, the weather has become so beautiful, especially the mornings and evening. It is so pleasant, and I usually don't go to drop kids, but there are days when I take my little one out because for him it becomes really essential. Staying indoors most of the time, he really misses his brothers once they're in school. So while the little one was busy preparing egg in his kitchen, I thought it's time for me also to treat myself with something nice and fancy. So I had these mortadella and egg sandwich, which I really love. And in fact, I gave the same mortadella sandwich to my kids for school, except I did not add eggs to it because they just don't like egg during the school time. So here's me making a cup of tea, not exactly cup, but a mug of tea filled till the top. I don't know, there's some kind of satisfaction. If my tea is not filled to the top, I just don't seem to enjoy the tea. So next I went to my kids' room, sorted a few things before the little one goes and attack to the things. Then I took few moments out just to sit and meditate and recite few surahs. I usually recite Surah Mulk, Surah Juma, and Surah Kahf. And these days I'm on a mission to keep this little one away from the screen as much as possible, because during the summer break we just had no routine, no control over the screen. Even I got a little lazy and carried away. And by the way, this is my current favorite snacking option, which I prepare 2-3 batches and I set it in the fridge. It's overnight soaked oatmeal. I put milk and Greek yogurt along with some fruits and nuts. Does the job of fulfilling my craving. So it's a pulao day for us. So Fridays are usually meant for biryanis or pulaos for us. So here I am making chicken biryani, which we all love. So kids come home around 12:30. It is lunchtime, but we prefer having late lunch because when kids come, they just want to grab some snack, maybe some fruits or something, and then they will be busy preparing themselves for the prayers. And by the time it's 3 or 4 o'clock, then it is the time that we'll enjoy our lunch together. In the meantime, this little one who's just skipping his lunch wants to enjoy his apple in peace, so I'm just letting him have his moment. So while the little one was busy, so I just took the opportunity of this free time to finish all my pending chores that was mostly related to the kitchen, because by the time it's evening, I want my kitchen to be clean, and since it's weekend, there'll be less cooking work, so my kitchen can stay clean during the weekend. I don't know if you can relate to this, but seeing kitchen clean does calm your mind and keeps your brain sorted, because you just feel that you are also equally relaxing over the weekend, and each time you step into the kitchen, there's no pile of work that is waiting for you. Anyhow, I just realized I had some restocking thing to do, so I just got to finishing it up that as well. Now that we are done for the day, so we ordered some ice creams for ourselves. My kids, they love cone ice cream, but I love this igloo sandwich ice cream. It is just amazing. So for dinner, we'll be having the leftover biryani, and my husband, for him, I'm reheating these kakuri kebab, which we'll be having it with shirmal. It is just the perfect combination. Do let me know in the comments below if you are also a kebab lover like us. By the way, I am adding a lot of white elements in my kitchen since my kitchen is small. So, and this is the new cutlery set which I got from Noon. You can use my code to get cash back. And I also ordered this set of chopping board. I think it was 3 in a pack. And it's time for me to call it a day with a nice hot cup of green tea, and also time for me to sit and thank Allah for everything He has given to me and taken from me, because He knows the best for me and He's the best planner of all. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.